578 Tango Heavy, contact tower, have a good day.
Yeah, 578 switching towers here.
Alright, runway heading up to 10,000 initially.
Yeah.
MCO rolling, pushing it up. We're going to be traveling from Travis Air Force Base to Moffett Airfield in San Jose, California to pre-position for a satellite upload. As is in the C5 community, Travis Air Force Base is the only base that has C5s capable of moving satellites around the country. Approach checklist. So in order to prepare for these space missions, we have to, as an aircrew, be very cautious and prepare much more thoroughly in regards to turbulence, in regards to weather, because it could damage the satellite. So yeah, the C5 specifically has special hookups for these satellite containers that we carry around the world. It provides electricity, it provides bleed air, it provides air conditioning to keep them at a very stable temperature and a very stable environment the entire way.
SC200, min speed 192.
In regards to how we change flying the airplane, we have to have very, very smooth inputs.
100.
We limit how much bank we put in on turns, and we really have to try and make the landings very smooth. The space mission is essential to everything the military does, whether it be GPS, missile detection, really mapping anything. The future is in space. So yeah, the loadmasters are essential in this. They're the ones who basically run everything to do with the cargo. They are the most, I would call them the most essential part of the satellite and space mission, just because it takes usually up to a day, 2 days in order to safely and correctly put these containers on. So the amount of expertise that it takes our loadmasters and our engineers in order to get these things on safely and correctly is astounding.
What we're doing here today is we're loading a space canister. It's used for transportation of satellites. Behind me is the C5M Super Galaxy. That is the plane that is used to haul oversized cargo. The reason we were selected for this type of mission was, for me personally, it was for my experience. For the other loadmasters here, they were also hand selected for their experience. With the front loading, we can load taller equipment, taller cargo, and it's a little bit easier for us to load through the front end versus the back end. It is a very time-consuming process, so we have to handle them with the utmost care to make sure that nothing gets too jostled inside that might potentially damage the cargo prior to making it to this location.